Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to SmartThings Plans for home monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin subscribing to SmartThings Plans for home monitoring, ensure you have the SmartThings app installed on your mobile device. Open the SmartThings app and sign in to your Samsung account. If you don't have an account, create one by tapping on the Sign Up option. Once logged in, navigate to the Home tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add new devices or plans. Select Monitoring from the menu options. You will see a list of available SmartThings plans. Choose the plan that best suits your home monitoring needs. Review the details of the selected plan, including features and pricing. You may be prompted to enter your payment information if you haven't done so already. Fill in the necessary payment details and confirm your purchase. Once payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your subscription will be activated, and you can start customizing your monitoring settings. Explore the various features included in your SmartThings plan. Set up notifications to receive alerts in real time for any activity detected. Adjust settings according to your preferences to optimize your home monitoring experience. If needed, revisit the plan section anytime to upgrade or change your subscription. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with SmartThings home monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.